Hello, little stars! How are you? Today we are going to learn and practice how to write the uppercase letters. And in this video, we will practice the next 5 letters: F, G, H, I, and J. We will start with the letter F. Oh, wow! And you know what? Just like we wrote the letter E, we can write the letter F super easily too. Yay! First, we start from the top and draw a straight line all the way down. Just like this. Now, go back to the top and draw a line across to the right. Like this. Next, come to the middle and draw a small line across. Just like this. Great! It's really fun to write letters, right, kids?
Yay!
Now it's time to learn some words that begin with the letter F. Great! F is for fish, flower, fruit, fox. Oh, wow! You're incredible! Let's move on to the next letter. Cool! Now the next letter is G. Writing this letter can be a little tricky. But kids, if we write it together, it becomes so easy. So let's start from the top and draw a big curved line that goes all the way down. Like this. Then keep curving the line and draw it back up to the middle. Just like this. Nice. Then from the middle, draw a small line across. Like this. And finally, draw this line downward. Like this. Woohoo! Great job, kids! We did it so easily. Let's see what starts with G. G is for grapes, gift, girl, garden. Nice! You're brilliant, kids! Are you ready for our next letter? What letter comes next? Oh yes, it's the letter H. Watch carefully, kids. See how I make it. We start from the top and draw a straight line all the way down. Just like this. Next, come to the middle and draw a line across to the right. Like this. Nice. And finally, back to the top. Draw another straight line all the way down. Like this. Wow! Great work, kids! You made it perfectly.
Yay!
Now let's learn some words that begin with the letter H. H is for hat, horse, house, honey. Wow, I'm impressed, kids. Let's move on to the next letter. The next letter is I. This letter is super easy to write. Follow me closely. So let's start from the top and draw a line across to the right. Just like this. Then come to the middle of this line and draw a straight line all the way down. Like this. Nice! Finally, draw a line across at the bottom. Just like this. Wow! I'm impressed with your skills, kids!
Yay!
Let's see what words begin with the letter I. I is for ice, ink pot, iron, insect. Great! You're amazing! Nice going! Let's move on to the next letter. Our next letter is J. And yes, kids, this one is also so easy to write. We start from the top and draw a line across to the right. Just like this. Then come to the middle of this line and draw a straight line down. Like this. Nice. After that, curve this line back to the left and up. Like this. Wow! Great job, kids! You made it perfectly! Now it is time to learn some words that begin with the letter J. J is for jug, jam, joker, Jeep. Did you have fun, kids? I hope you enjoyed learning with me today. Keep practicing every day. Practice makes you faster and smarter, kids. And don't forget to share this fun video with your friends. My little stars, remember to subscribe and press the like button too. All right, my little learners. See you in the next video. Bye-bye. Ta-ta!